Hello guys, welcome to Fontech channel. Do your screen time screen time out is 30 seconds, 20 seconds. This video is for you. You can see my is in 30 seconds and I want to set maybe to 1 minute, 30 minutes, 25 minutes, 15 minutes. How do you do that? Just follow the simple step and watch this video to the end and follow the step that I use. That is the method that you are going to apply, and don't skip anything in this video. So you go to your settings to set your screen timeout from seconds, and when you get to settings you are going to scroll down, display. You can see this display, you can see display, you can see screen timeout. You can see after 15 seconds of inactive that you are not active on your screen going to time out, going to off automatically. You can see that I want to set this to 5 minutes. You can see 5 minutes. And the second method to do that is you scroll down, you can see accessibility. You are going to click on this accessibility on your phone. This is the second method. You are going to scroll down. You can see time to take action. You can see this accessibility timeout. You can see time to take action is 2 minutes too. You can see 2 minutes. You can see that is how you are going to set your screen timeout from being in seconds. You can see, please like and subscribe to Fontech channel, and please like and comment on this video. See you in my next video.